friends, hope you all are doing well. In today's quick learning, we will go through the text function using the symmetrical data. Some are like left, right, text, mid, concatenate or ampersand. So what are the symmetrical data? Symmetrical data like in identity card, you find ID card like passport, PAN card, vehicle number, driving license, date of birth. This has all set of data like in vehicle number you can see state code, then district code, then the vehicle registration number. So this has unique set of symmetry and this type of data is called as symmetrical data. Now from this data vehicle numbers we need the state code, district code, registration number, and we want to add prefix before the vehicle number. Let's start one by one. First one is to find out the state code from this vehicle number. To find the state code we will go with the function called as equal to left in bracket. It will ask you the text. So text will be cell number B5, comma. How many characters are there as a state code? First two. So number one is M, number two is H. So one and two, you will enter 2 here and close the bracket, enter. And you can drag this formula. This will be the state code. Now coming to the district code falls in between, like after DL, then the number, KL, KA, then the number TN, then the number. So for between, you will go with function called as mid, MID. Mid, now this number is where, like after two alphabets. So one, two, it start from alphabet number three. So like third and fourth. So three will be the first one. So you will enter here text from this B5. I will start number is third, then after that number of character. If this is my first character, like number after MH you can see 12, so 3 is my first, then the 2 will be my second. So you will enter here 2 and close the bracket. So the district code comes like this. After 3 you will add 2, okay, and drag this. So these are the district code. Then next, registration number, I need the last 4 or 5 digit. For that, you will go with function called as write in bracket. We want to find right characters from or right letters from this vehicle number. So same B5, comma, right is how many you want? 5 letters. So these are my registration number. Okay. Now this is my vehicle number. I want to add here IND before the vehicle number. For that, you can go with two options. So for let's start with first one if you want. You can enter here equal to concatenate. Concatenate will tie two strings. Even you can use this concatenate like this, like you want to add IND. So you will add IND in double quotes, comma, okay. If you add comma and then the cell B5. Now IND is added. If you want to add space before IND, you can add space. Okay. And the second way to do this is equal to you will write here double quotes IND. Okay. If you want to add space, you can put space before IND, double quotes IND and space. And after that you can go with function called as ampersand, inbuilt features of Excel, ampersand, and then the that cell value, or you can type any text, like we are going for this vehicle number, so this B5, enter. So even through this you can find the you can club the IND before the vehicle number.